Here's a hard truth. Most business owners using AI right now have no idea what they're actually doing. They are throwing prompts at ChatGPT like a magic 8 ball and wondering why they get garbage results. What if I told you that by understanding just 5 basic principles about how AI actually works could 10x your results and turn these tools into actual business growth machines? If you're new here, I'm Yannick Bakebongo. I run Accitra AI, an AI automation company that assists businesses grow at scale, leveraging AI tools and systems not to replace your workforce, but to empower them and achieve more. And over the past 3 years, I've helped businesses automate their way to over $1 million in additional revenue. And I'm not here to show you ChatGPT party tricks. I build real AI systems that handle the repetitive work, killing your productivity, so you can stop being a slave to your inbox and start focusing on what actually grows your business. Before I share the 5 game-changing takeaways from the Google course about AI, we need to destroy the biggest myth about AI. Ready for this? AI isn't intelligent at all. Let me show you exactly what I mean with the simplest example that will change how you think about every AI tool you use. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize a bird. Here's how it actually works. First, you define features: 2 legs, wings, feathers, beak. Then you assign weights. Maybe wings are 30% important, feathers are 30%, beak 20%, legs 20%. Show it a crow with all features. It scores 100% and says bird. Show it a penguin with no visible wings or feather. It might score 40% and say not a bird. But here's the key. When you correct it and say, actually, that is a bird, the AI adjusts those weights automatically. After thousands of corrections, it gets better at recognizing birds. But here's what's crucial with your business. The AI doesn't understand what bird is. It just sees numbers and patterns. It needs massive amounts of data and constant human correction. It can only identify birds. Ask it about mammals, and you need a completely different system. And this is exactly why most businesses fail with AI. They expect magic, but AI is just very sophisticated pattern matching. Once you understand this, everything changes. Now, here's the 5 takeaways from the Google AI course that will transform how you use AI in your business. Takeaway number 1, know your AI tool types. There are essentially 3 types of AI tools, and choosing wrong is costing you time and money. You've got the standalone tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, great for specific tasks, but require switching between platforms. Then you have integrated AI like Gemini using Google Docs, which is perfect for workflow efficiency. Then you have custom AI solutions. This is where the real business magic happens. Remember that Johns Hopkins sepsis detection system I mentioned earlier? It improved diagnostic accuracy from 5% to 40%. What this means for business is that this could be a system that analyzes your 200 clients, considers seasonality and historical data, then ranks them by who's most likely to need your services. And that's not science fiction. That's what we build at Accitra AI every day. Takeaway number 2, surface the implied context. Here is why your AI results sucks. You are not giving it the context that seems obvious to you. You are a vegetarian. If your vegetarian friends ask for restaurant recommendations, you automatically suggest vegetarian places. The AI does not know your friend is vegetarian unless you tell it. And here's how you apply this in your business. Instead of help me negotiate a raise, try, I got 10% last year. I'm the top performer. Industry average is 12%. Help me negotiate for 15%. The difference in output quality is night and day. Takeaway number 3, master zero shot versus few shot prompting. This one technique alone will literally 10x your AI results. Here's the difference between zero shot and few shots. A zero shot would be as simple as write me a sales email. Few shots would be write me a sales email like these 3 examples that converted at 15%. You would include the example. The more relevant examples you provide, the better your results. It's that simple. Takeaway number 4. Use chain of thoughts, not complex tasks. Stop trying to get everything in one prompt. Break it down. Instead of write me a complex marketing strategy, try this. Number 1, analyze my target market and identify the top 3 pain points. Number 2, create messaging that addresses these pain points. Number 3, design a content calendar around these messaging. Each step builds on the last, giving you exceptionally better results. Takeaway number 5, understand AI limitation. This will save you thousands. AI has 3 critical limitations that most business owners ignore. Number 1 is biased training data. If it learns from biased examples, it gives biased answers. Knowledge cutoffs. It doesn't know about recent events. And number 3, hallucinations. It makes stuff up about 1% of the time, down from 4 to 6% in the older versions. And here's a real example of this. An AI hiring system only selected male candidates because it was trained on historical data where the company mostly hired men. The bias transferred directly to the AI. For high-stake business decisions, always double-check AI output. And look, if you're watching this thinking, this is great, but how do I actually implement it in my business? I get it. That's exactly why I offer free 30-minute strategy and discovery call. And here's my warning around it. They might be free right now, but I don't know for how long they will remain free. During the call, we will look at your current processes and identify where you can get the biggest impact using AI. The link is in the description. And before we wrap up, let's talk about the AI you are actually using versus the AI everyone is worried about. Number 1, our weak AI. What we have currently. Every AI you use right now, like ChatGPT, automation systems, image generators, they're really all weak AI. They do one specific task really well. That's it. Then you have strong AI, which is artificial generated intelligence. This doesn't exist yet. It would be an AI that can learn and adapt like humans across multiple domains. Experts say we're still about 20 to 50 years away from it. Maybe. And then you have super AI, which is pure speculation. More intelligence than humans in every way. This is the AI everyone is worried about. And here's the business reality. You are not competing against super AI. You are competing against other business owners who understand how to use today's weak AI effectively. And that's actually great news because most of our competitors are still treating ChatGPT like a magic 8 balls. Here's what most people get wrong about AI in business. They think about replacing humans. It's not. It's about freeing humans to do what they do best. Build relationships, make strategic decisions, solve complex problems. The real opportunity sits where your competitors are either ignoring AI or using it wrong. It gives you the edge to implement systems that can qualify and route leads automatically, handle repetitive tasks 24/7, surface insight from your data you never knew existed, free up hours of your time every week. But here's the catch. You need to understand how AI actually works to use it effectively. And now you do. Look, here's the reality. The business world is changing fast. The companies that figure out how to use AI effectively are going to have a massive advantage over those that don't. These tools are not about replacing people. They are about freeing your people to do what they do best. Build relationships, provide expertise, and close deals. And if you want to see how these AI systems would work specifically in your business, click in the link in the description to book a free AI audit. We will look at your current processes, identify your biggest opportunities, and show you exactly how to implement these systems. And if you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more AI business strategies coming that you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.